Ugh, come on with this. Look at this. We're turning these silver. Alright, so this is something I ordered from eBay. Not sure if it's going to be the exact one I need. These are anti-moan braces. Not sure if they are the right ones I need for this custom brake kit. It's supposed to go like that. In which case they are not the right ones. This one's complete. I'm going with the word Viking down. This is a spacer from the caster camber plates. .8mm spacers. Washers. These are 19mm. Just gonna snug these down. I didn't realize that this side would be swapped like this, so these have to be got the washers. All right, so let's take a quick look. And here. I painted the brackets, which nobody really wants to see them on paint. piece is still a little gummy, but who am I to wait, right? Exhausting. By those ratchets. Alright, so we're going to 89 foot-pounds on these two, and then, what does it say? Well, let's just do 89 first. Guess what? It's sticker time. Okay, one more, but it is a little damaged. I'm not sure if this one's gonna work. Okay, looks like it might work. pretty good. Cool. Whew, all right. I'm gonna call this one here. We got a little bit done, I guess. Take a quick look. We have our caster camber plates installed. We have our coilovers ready to be installed, and our K-member is it's torqued in. So yeah, so in the next episode I will be, I guess, maybe finishing up the front suspension. I don't have the brakes yet, so I'm gonna put the brakes all into its own video. After we do the front suspension, then we'll continue cleaning up the bottom of the car, hoping for a break in the weather, because grinding on your back in 88 degrees is a little bit rough. Cool, yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. How many threads are on these things?